From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
In the diagram, P, Q, R, and X are points on the circle with center O. Angle QRS is 5s degree and angle QOX is 6s plus 24 degrees. Find angle QPS. This angle. The first thing you want to do is to find what X is. And from circle geometry, this angle, from this angle, we can get this angle. Like I always say, start with the angle you know to get unknown angle. The angle here is just twice this angle. And so, reflex angle QOX is simply twice, because angle at center is twice angle at circumference. This gives us 10x. And so if this is 10x and this is 6s plus 24, we know that angle at a point is 360 degrees. And so the sum of this and this should give 360. 6s plus 24 plus 10x should give 360 degrees. Angle at a point. It is theory, you are meant to be writing this down, but just to make it clear to you what we are doing. 10s plus 6s is 16s. Subtract 24 from both sides will be 360 minus 24. 16x will be 336. Divide both sides by 16. S will be 16 into 33 is 2 times. Remember 1 into 16 is 1. So S is 21. Now, what are we looking for? This angle, QPS. We know that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. What does that mean? It means if you sum this angle and this angle, it should give you 180. So QROS plus QPS should give 180 degrees. And QROS we have gotten as 5s, which is 21. QPS is what we are looking for, 180 degrees. 5 times 21 is 105. So QPS is 180 minus 105. This will give you 75 degrees. And the correct option is A.